Hello and welcome to Hideship. In this tutorial, we'll see how to offer specific shipping rates for those clients who are B2B customers or companies in Shopify checkout using Hideship. All customers are special, but some are more so, such as those who are companies. For this reason, you might want to offer a special service or perhaps provide free shipping for these types of customers who may have a certain frequency of purchases at your store. Let's see how to set up a special shipping method specifically for this type of customer, which may encourage them to stay and potentially use your store more frequently. Let's create this special condition quickly with Hideship. From your Hideship dashboard, go to the top right corner and start by clicking Create Customization. In the pop-up window, select Simple Customization. In the condition field, choose Customer Company, and you will see that there are two more fields to fill. In the second field, you have the options to choose between the customer's company name, or the company shipping name. For our example, we will choose the customer's company name. In the third field, you will decide how the function will work, whether it contains or does not contain the name of the company. Choose Does Not Contain, because you are going to hide for everyone who is not the company you want. Now create a special method for this company. For example, free shipping for B2B. Add the method at the bottom, fill in the rate you want, and click Add Shipping Method. Hide and sort in the first position. In this way, it will be the pre-selected method when the B2B customer makes its order. To hide, it's enough to toggle here, and you're done. Repeat the same process for other B2B or companies, and of course, you can combine multiple companies by simply adding the name next to the other companies here. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click Save. The rule is now active, and for any order from customers different from the B2B or companies you decided, the shipping rates will be hidden according to your rule. Let's test it in the store. As you can see, we are logged in as a company, and we are going to buy this product here. Now, when I arrive at the checkout page, I can see the shipping method, Special Ship for B2B on top, and pre-selected, as I want to offer for this kind of customer. But what if I'm a regular customer? Let's log out and repeat the process. As you can see now on the checkout page, the special offer, Special Ship for B2B, is not visible anymore, just like we want. With Hideship, creating, managing, and sorting special shipping rates in Shopify checkout for B2B or companies is effortless and efficient, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers and make them feel special. Don't wait any longer. Install Hideship and try out all its potential now. And remember, you have a 7-day free trial period with each plan you choose at no cost at all.